everybody, Miss Aisbett here. Today we're going to learn about division. More specifically, the groups of method. So yesterday we learned about multiplication, and the reason we're doing division is because they are the opposite of each other. And these symbols are actually best friends. So if you know multiplication, you'll be able to do division. So yesterday we did 3 groups of 4 equals 12. Now what if I told you that you could rearrange this to make division? So if I start at the 12 and put that first, and if I use the opposite of the times symbol, which is divide, you'll get 12 shared into 4 groups is 3. And all I did was write that backwards and just change this one to this one. So 3 times 4 is 12, but 12 shared into 4 groups is 3. Because the symbol here means shared into 4 groups. So 12 means how many we start with all together. So for example, you can imagine we have 12 apples. Now we need to share all of those apples into 4 groups, and every group needs to be equal. How many are going to be in each of those groups? 3. So if I have 12 apples, I want to share them equally with 4 friends. How many apples does each friend get? And you need to make sure that every friend has the same amount. I'm going to show you a quick video to demonstrate this. So 4 friends, 12 apples, 1, 1, 1, 1. And we're going to make sure that every friend has the same, which is 3. So 12 apples divided into 4 friends equals 3. Okay, and then we need to check our answer. Now we need to use the division's best friend, the times symbol, to check that we're correct. And we do that by starting at the end and go that way. So 3 times, or 3 groups of 4 equal 12. Yes, I know that because I did that yesterday, but I can also skip count by 4s if I want. 4, 8, 12, or I can skip count by 3s 4 times. 3, 6, 9, 12, yes, that's correct. Alright, let's do another one. 10 shared by 5. And I'm going to pretend that I've got 10 marbles this time. And I've got 5 bags. And I want to check how many marbles would be in each bag. Okay, so I'm going to get my marbles here. I've got 10. I'm going to put them into 5 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is in one of those bags, or each bag? 1, 2. So my answer would be 2. 2. And then I've got to check my answer by starting at the end and then using the division's best friend, which is the times symbol. So 2 times 5 is 10. I know that because double 5 is 10, or 5, 10 if I skip count. So that's correct. Alright, 16 shared by 4 groups. What does that equal? I'm going to use birdies for this one. So if I have 16 little birdies and I want to put them into 4 groups, how many would be in each group? So I've got my 16 little birdies. I'm going to put them into groups, make sure they're all the same. So each of these groups has 4 little birdies in it. So 16 birdies put into 4 groups, there are 4 in each group. So the answer must be 4. And then we're going to check. So we start at the end. 4 times 4 is 16. Yeah, and I can do that by using my double. So double 4 is 8, and then double 8 is 16. Or I can skip count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16. Yeah, that's correct. Alright, 15 shared into 3 groups. I'm going to use soccer balls for this one. So I'm going to get my 15 soccer balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 soccer balls. Now, if you look at the way that I've arranged these soccer balls, they're in an array, aren't they? So the columns are the ones that go down. So I've got 5 columns and I've got 3 rows. Now that's really going to help me because I want to put these soccer balls into 3 groups. And they kind of already are because I've put them in an array. So I can just draw a group around each row. 1, 2, 3. That was easy. Now all I have to do is count how many's in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer with 15 soccer balls put into 3 groups is 5, but I have to check. So 5 times 3 is 15. Yeah, I can do that because I'm going to skip count. 5, 10, 15. That's correct. Now you can do it another way. Instead of having your 15 soccer balls, you could do just your 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, because you know that you need to split your 15 soccer balls into these groups. And then you could just do one at a time, counting to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you just count how many is in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your answer is 5. All right, 9 shared into 3 groups. I'm going to pick something delicious like a lollipop. And when I count them out, when I count to 9 using my lollipops, I'm going to try and split them into the 3 groups. So I'm going to have one group over here, one group over here, and one group over here. All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. All right, so I've got my 3 groups that it says, and you shared into 3 groups. I can put a circle around these, and now all I have to do is count how many's in each group. 1, 2, 3. Easy. How many's in each group? 3. But I need to check. 3 times 3, or 3 groups of 3 is 9. Yep, 3, 6, 9. That's the answer. Okay, so this is what you're going to do today. Your task, solve the question by using this strategy, the group solve, and check your answer. So 14 shared into 2 groups. So I've got my 2 groups here. I want you to pause the video and see if you can solve the question, and then you need to check your answer. Okay, so you had your 14. You need to split them. You could do one at a time, counting to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome. Now you just need to count how many is in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many is in each group? 7. And then you need to check your answer by starting at this side. 7 times 2 equals 14. And I know that because my double 7 equals 14. Well done. Okay, so this is what you're going to do today. Solve the following questions by using the groups of strategy and check your answer. So I'm going to put this up on Seesaw, and you'll need a whiteboard, a marker, or a paper and a pencil. And then you just go through each question and solve it. And what you need to upload to Seesaw is upload a video of you solving one question. So you can pick any of these questions. You can pick 8 or 7 or 1. Video yourself doing this one, and then you're going to upload it to Seesaw. Good luck everyone. Bye for now.